Hello, my dear children. Welcome to chemistry class. Our chapter is acids, bases, and salts. Today we are going to discuss about salts. What is a salt? Yes, salt is a compound formed from an acid by the replacement of the hydrogen in the acid by a metal. The best known salt is sodium chloride, that is NaCl, which is usually known as common salt. Salt is a general name and it does not refer only to sodium chloride. Salts are formed when acid react with bases. Examples for salts: calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, sodium sulfate. Family of salts. The salts having the same positive ions or same negative ions are said to belong to a family of salts. For example, sodium chloride and potassium chloride belong to the same family of salts called chloride salts. pH of salt solutions. Salts derived from strong acids and strong bases consist of cations from strong bases and anions from strong acids. Salts derived from weak acids and strong bases. These are salts with cations from strong bases and anions from weak acid, and the nature is basic. The salt from strong acid and weak base. These consist of cations from strong acid and anions from weak base, and these have acidic nature. Chemicals from common salt. Salt formed by the combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution is called sodium chloride. Let us see what are the chemicals from common salt. Sodium hydroxide, washing soda, baking soda, bleaching powder, and plaster of Paris. The common salt is an important raw material for various materials like sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, and many more products. Let us discuss about sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride called brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide, and this process is known as chlor-alkali process. The equation for chloralkali process is 2NaCl plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. It is also called chloride of lime. Let us see what are the uses of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry and for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry. It is also used for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. And you know, bleaching powder is used for disinfecting drinking water supply. Bleaching powder is used for the manufacture of chloroform. Bleaching powder is used for making wool unshrinkable. Bleaching powder is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Next one is baking soda. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. It is also called sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is sometimes added for faster cooking of food such as gram. When solid sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, then it decomposes to give sodium carbonate with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Let us see what are the uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. It is used as an antacid in medicine to remove acidity of the stomach. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used in making baking powder. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. What is next one? Yes, washing soda. Washing soda is sodium carbonate containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Uses of washing soda. Sodium carbonate or washing soda is used as a cleansing agent. Sodium carbonate is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Sodium carbonate is used in the manufacture of glass, soap, and paper. Sodium carbonate is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Water of crystallization. There are some salts which contain a few water molecules as an essential part of the crystal structure. The water molecules which form part of the structure of a crystal are called water of crystallization. The salts which contain water of crystallization are called hydrated salts. For example, copper sulfate crystals contain 5 molecules of water of crystallization in one formula unit and hence written as CuSO4 5H2O. It is called copper sulfate pentahydrate. Next one is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O. Uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used in hospitals for setting fractured bones in the right position to ensure correct healing. Plaster of Paris is used in making toys, decorative materials, cosmetic, blackboard chalk, etc. Thank you all.